Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to follow shop account in Shein application on an Android device. Well, by following shop account, you can stay informed about the latest product release, promotions, and special offers from your favorite brands or retailers. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly open Shein application. Well, so now look for the item or product you like it the most. Okay, and then in this items page, you can scroll down till you find the shop icon info here. Tap on it, and then click follow button next to the account name. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to follow shop account in Shein application on Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.